Welcome back to It Pays to Save, smart, simple, successful strategies for finding financial freedom. We are currently on step 2 of this 4-step program, and today we're going to talk about cutting the cards. There's really only one way to get out of the habit of using credit cards. You have to cut them up. If you have easy access to credit, you will use it. And if you rely on credit cards, you will dig yourself into a hole and you'll have a tough time reaching your financial goals. The only way for this plan to work is to stop charging today, right now. The following exercises will show you how to get out of your current credit card debt, but the following examples in this step only work by factoring your current debt and not making any other future purchases. Now, I'm not saying you'll never charge another item. Credit cards will always be a part of everyone's life, today and especially in the future. Go ahead, keep one card for emergencies. You'll always need a credit card to make reservations or online purchases. So pick one of your cards that has the best annual percentage rate and get ready to cut up the rest. Go ahead, get the scissors. I'll wait. I'm still waiting. Before we move on, let's take a minute to discuss debit cards. As you know, debit cards work just like credit cards when it comes to making purchases. As you're probably aware, the funds are automatically withdrawn from your checking account. If your bank charges a fee for this, then write a check. Why pay a fee to save a few minutes or two in the checkout line? Debit cards will do less damage than a credit card will because you're spending the money you've already earned. If you're going to save one card from the scissors, save the debit card. Remember, some debit cards are backed by a line of credit or overdraft protection. Any purchases that go over what you have in your checking account will be assessed a fee, an interest rate, and a monthly payment, just like a credit card. And then you're in the same boat again. So use your debit card wisely. Now, I know it wasn't easy to cut up your cards, but I promise you it will be well worth it in the long run. You've just taken another step towards the road to riches. I hope you can feel the burden being lifted. You're now at a point where you can begin to pay off the past. You now know where you stand and what you need to do to move forward. So add up all the balances of your credit cards, including the one you didn't cut, and this is the debt that we will spend the rest of this step addressing. Okay, we're making some progress here and moving right along. We're going to go to step 23 where we're going to show you that minimum payments don't cut it. Please take the time to like and subscribe to this channel and visit itpaystosave.com where you can find everything you need for this program, including workbooks and ebooks, customizable spreadsheets, newly released and updated content, exclusive content, the limited time offers, and the freebies. Again, that's at paystosave.com, where you can find everything you need to plan your financial future in one place.